So guys, ito yung partition. Ito. Itong partition ito, may access siya sa balcony. Kaya hagdan siya dyan. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, dahil nga nagtaas na ang mga renta ng bahay dito sa Dubai, ay naghahanap kami ng pwedeng malipatan ni Mami Shine. Maraming pwedeng maupahan pero sobrang maliliit at napakamamahal na sa panahon ngayon. Tara, bago natin simulan, mag-intro muna tayo. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, maghahanap tayo ng partition. So partition, anong tawag dito? Partition hunt. Yan. So let's go. So since nagtaas na kasi yung mga bilihin. So nagtaas na yung mga rent dito sa Dubai. Kasi mga real estate. Ganda ng bag ko. Ngayon, mag-start tayo maghanap ng partition na mura. So, in case na makahanap, so pwede tayong lumipat. So, may kausap tayo, nag-aantay na, nandito daw, yung building dyan. Sana maganda, tsaka sana mura. So, ito yung Reef Mall. So, medyo malapit lang sa bahay namin. So sabi dun sa location, ito likod ng Reef Mall. Ito yung Reef Mall. Tapos yung may building dyan na puti or yung yellow, sunod dyan. Sunod dito. Sabi niya, nag-aantay daw siya. Baka dyan yung yellow na yun, yung malaki na yan. So tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng mga partition dito. Samahan nyo kami guys. Ito na siya. Ito natin. Ito yung building. Ay, may mga kabayan dito. Sige, pasok. New. It's a new flat.
You want to look the window or without window?
With window, as much as possible. Yeah.
Start from there. They will fix as well. They will fix.
So this is the kitchen.
Medyo malaki dito pala.
Malaki siya, oh. Okay. Ito yung washroom. Di pa tapos sila, nagpipintura pa lang. 12 partition?
So everything will be new, like mattress, everything. You can see.
This is the with window.
Oh, yeah, you can see.
Oh, this is the with window. How much the price, brother?
No problem. You see one by one.
Huh?
We will discuss. No problem.
Okay.
Sorry, ate.
Sa taas.
Your friend? You can send them. We have a lot of options. This one you can also.
Isang dipa ko ba ito? Maliit siya. Hindi ko siya isang dipa.
One second.
Kailangan po piturahin.
They will make color.
Paint, yeah,
They are
paint.
painting, yeah. This one.
So ganito ang partition. Pero kung 1 to.
Saka pa na yung rice. 12.
Ha?
May hamiran sana pero maliit na to.
Maliit na to. Oh.
Saan pa yung cabinet na dyan?
Ay, ang bag.
This one is also window.
Pintura.
So you can check this one as well. Yeah, this one.
This one?
But no need to check.
Ah.
This,
They are the same size.
This one. You can check this one.
Partition 6.
Yeah, partition number 6.
Ito yung washroom nila dito.
They will paint the entire place. So this side is ready. Yeah.
Napinturahan.
Ah, this already.
Everything is ready.
This one.
This is the gas for kitchen. Yeah,
For
we
sa
will fix
kitchen.
now. Yeah.
How many flat do you have, brother?
In this area, I have only one, but I have some more there.
Ay, may tao.
Where? Nearby here?
Ay, may tao? May laman.
That one you can check as well.
Which one? Open mo ate. Ah, may tao na. May mga item.
There are
Okay.
some stuff. They kept, I think, they moved today. And here is also one window for kitchen.
Maliliit siya. Ah, sorry.
Ah, bagong lipat.
Ah, Haba daw lang.
Hello. How are you?
Ha? How much?
1,500.
That's why we are looking for
Like,
cheaper. This one, 5. Check natin tong partition dito.
they're the same. Right?
Huh?
It's the same.
The same.
Yeah.
No, this is not the same size, man. Because the bed, the one we are looking for, the bed is like this.
Oh, okay, no.
Not like this.
No, no, no.
So bed is there down and there's a space here more. Maliit ang partition nila. So guys, yun na nga. Kita na namin yung mga partition. Sobrang liliit.
Sa bedding namin.
Sobrang liliit ng partition. Tapos ang presyo niya halos pareho lang din. So let's see, we'll try na maghanap pa ng iba kasi marami pa naman pwedeng hanapan. Yung itsura ng hallway nila sa labas ng dami pang dami mga nagagawa ng mga partition. Hindi, pero kung malinis naman siya Hindi naman siya sobrang luma, di ba? Pag nalinisan.
Malaki pala itong sila. Malaki ito, te?
So guys, ito pa uwi na kami. So hindi successful yung namin paghanap ng bahay. So isa lang din naman kasi yung tinignan namin. So nag-expect ako na parang malalaki dito sa current namin, kaso sobrang liliit ng mga partition ngayon, saka ang mamahal na. Pero kung kaunti lang ang gamit nyo, okay na rin yun, yung mga size na gayon. Kasi 1,300 lang yung presyohan. Sabi niya sa akin 1,300. Yung 1,400 nila doon, sabi niya bibigay daw sa akin 1,300. Kaso nga lang sobrang maliit siya, tsaka yung ambience din, parang hindi ko feel yung ambience. Parang feeling ko medyo hindi healthy yung hangin doon kasi suffocate ka doon kung walang bintana ang partition. So yeah, thank you for watching. Samahan nyo kami sa aming paghahanap ng partition sa area natin. So guys, bye-bye, paalam.